Friday the 10th of November 2017. Dick about to launch boat 11, Snoopy's boat 11. I'll point out all the usual bits. This is the one for the 2017 Atlantic attempt, if we're happy with it. And we've also got boat 12 with exactly the same autopilot and software and an absolutely standard international 1 metre model. And it always wins. Right, standard bits. Snoopy the Viking as skipper, navigation light, solar panels keep everything going, GPS logger, that's very important, that records the position and direction of movement and speed every second as it goes around the lake. And the other equipment just for test is the text to speech, so we can hear what the autopilot computer is thinking, and a Mobius video camera that Dick will switch on just before we pick it up and launch it. So I think that's it. Wind is just what we would like. So moving around a bit there, but basically from the northwest. So there aren't any legs that are directly at winds, so it should go well. Right, is it rolling? Right, this is where Dick falls over. And it'll take a while to get into some decent wind because we've got shielding from the bank here.
GPS time 12:53, 26 seconds. Target alpha 79 meters at 228 degrees. GPS course 143. Speed 0.8 knots. Ride 115.
When it catches the wind, it should move out nicely. Just going into some decent wind. Yeah, Dick noticed it looked as though he's got to waypoint alpha, and it's 1300.
GPS time 12:59, 14 seconds. Alpha, target Bravo, 144 meters, at 266 degrees. GPS course 333, speed 0.3 knots, left 67.
Yeah, so he's now on the way to Bravo, out in that direction. Right, time to launch Eric's boat 12, absolutely standard international 1 metre. Same sail form, but a third the weight. So as soon as it gets into the breeze, I reckon it'll whiz along and overtake the other boat being watched by the Seagull. Boat 12 whistling out to Alpha. As though he's about to turn. Yeah, that was it. So he's just turned at Alpha and he's on his way to chase after boat 11. On his way, a little bit of tacking going on there, but all just falling off the wind. Shouldn't do. And Bravo is just to the right of the lone tree. 12 getting closer to boat 11. Wind has shifted a little bit, more from the west, so they'd be going upwind. Watch out, boat 11. Boat 12 is behind you.
GPS time 13:11, 34 seconds. Target Bravo, 39 meters, at 268 degrees. GPS course 139, speed 0.2 knots, ride 129. seconds. Target Bravo, 39 meters, at 271 degrees. GPS course 176, speed 0.3 knots, right 95. GPS time 1312, 24 seconds. Target Bravo, 36 meters, at 270 degrees. GPS course 280, speed 0.5 knots, left 10.
Yeah, so boat 12 just made it by the look of it. Hopefully boat 11 soon after.
GPS time 1313, 56 seconds. Bravo, target Charlie, 72 meters, at 132 degrees. GPS course 116, speed 0.1 knots, right 16.
Yeah, boat 11 has made it to Bravo as well, so he's also on the way to Charlie. Boat 12 has made Charlie, and he's now on the way to Delta near the island. Just over there. Boat 12 about to pass the landmark stroke watermark between Charlie and Delta. Boat 11 near Charlie.
GPS time 1316, 8 seconds. Target Charlie, 19 meters, at 127 degrees. GPS course 104, speed 0.7 knots, right 23. GPS time 1316, 30 seconds. Charlie, target Delta, 144 meters, at 93 degrees. GPS course 127, speed 1.3 knots, left 4.
Boat 12 approaching Delta. When he gets there, he'll turn towards us. Must be about now. Yeah. So he's now on his way back to base near the drain, just down here. Compensate for the drift of the water by heading slightly into wind, although now he's coming pretty well upwind. Come on, Snoopy, back to base. So it's going to be slow here because he's coming into the lee. The wind is offshore. But he's coming. There you go. That's not bad. That'll do. Well done, Snoopy.
GPS time 1320, 32 seconds. Target Delta, 21 meters, at 62 degrees. GPS course 90, speed 1.4 knots, left 28. GPS time 1320, 52 seconds. Delta, target base, 131 meters, at 359 degrees. GPS course 63, speed 1.3 knots, left 64.
Meanwhile, boat 11 has made it to Delta, so he's on his way back as well. It's gone off course a little bit, realising he's got a tack into the wind. Looks like he's going for the clubhouse again.
GPS time 1324, 19 seconds. Target base, 49 meters, at 330 degrees. GPS course 294, speed 0.8 knots, right 36.
Time Time to run aground.
GPS time 13:25. 26 seconds. Target base 33 meters at 323 degrees. GPS course 193. Speed 0.2 knots. Ride 130.
Dick's giving him a little push out, see if he does better. Coming back to base.
GPS time 13:28. 39 seconds. Target base 17 meters at 341 degrees. GPS course 310. Speed 0.7 knots. Ride 31.
That'll do. So it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from him and those two.
Yeah, Snoopy on boat 12 and Snoopy on boat 11.